everyone, welcome. Then to another video here on the channel Hacking Toshing Beyond. I will show you I added another tool there that we use a lot to manipulate SDTs, which is MassSL. So in the official repository of MassSL, it is a little more complicated to compile. So it suffers more or less the same process of hacking. There is a video, so I will leave it on the card too. It's how you compile hacking on your machine to make it more native. And the MassSL is no different. So I made the func of this MassSL repository, changed some things, and through this func documentation that I created, I didn't leave any release here for now, so you can compile it there. Or you can download the source code directly here or through TopsTools. I'm going to do it through TopsTools because how do I include this func documentation in TopsTools? So I have also updated his version here 102, and in position 23 is here MassSL. And I will also show you at the end, after we compile the MassSL, I will also show you how to update the iOS L of the MassSL. How many acronyms? So come on, I'll go down here. For those who are on macOS, it is important to download the app. Then I will put it here. Can I close it? I minimize. This guy gives 2 clicks here. And if he doesn't open here, you can come here in system tuning, privacy and security, open anyway, and enter your password. It will open here. Can we close it? Let me just increase it to make it better so we can visualize it. It's here. Oh, in position 23. Then, as soon as you open it, it already forms this folder. TopsTools, you may already be downloading here. O23, you may be downloading MassSL. Then we can leave TopsTools here. It comes in the Xcode documentation. It comes here in MassSL. It is in version 10.9 on macOS. Xcode 3.2 version we will put in 16, no problem. Let's update here. I have updated all this documentation. It is important that you do this recommended update from firmware to source code. Then you can update without a problem. I'm just going to ask you to watch up here where MassASL is. If it's not here, in the cast. Otherwise, he'll end up formalizing this guy here. That's not what we want. We want the app. So, when you are going to do the compilation, always take a look like this, in a tactic like this. If it has like this, the application will not come out for you. So it has to be in the application in MassASL. Okay? Come here in the documentation again. Let's come here in product archive. He will compile it, so we can just wait a little bit. Like I said here, it's 15:07 in the afternoon. Let's see here. 15:07. Okay, it's precisely the application that we just formalized here. We'll come here in distributing app pusten. Are you going to make a copy here on the desktop? I'll go there. Our app is already updated there. Let me just see the version here about MassSL. (166). This version is not available. It is 165. So you can already put it in applications here. And there is another way to do this compilation. There is this form that I showed you, everything is updated there. Now we can open the terminal here, increase it again so we can see, insert CD, space. Throw the folder. Oops, it's not that folder, not here in top tools. Let's throw this folder here the way it is. Give an enter there, Xcode build, give an enter again. It will formalize a folder here called build release. Oh, it has formalized here for us. You can open it here. Okay, it's the same version. 2 ways you can compile through Xcode. And so remembering that when you open the documentation, guys, be smart about this little guy here. Okay? If you have typed here, oh, the CPI importer, it will import the documentation of this cast here. So it has to be here. ESL mass, remember this well when compiling. We can close here, we can close here. We already have Masel there. Now observing here in my fork for you to make it more updated. Then it recommends that you download the most current CPI CA you have. So you can click here, download. Oh, there's no OHTTP here, right? Which is for all sites they're HTTPS, if I'm not mistaken, something like this. So when you go to clone it will give an error. But you can download the package directly here. Oh, the PKGs. No, there's a problem to allow. I'll put this guy here on the table. Can we close? I'll open it here. You can extract everything. Okay, closing here, closing here. He's here. Oh, here I can erase. Let's open here. Oh. So notice that I don't have anything related to ISL yet. We will download it here. It will come here in the folder. Right-click Services. You can open a tab in the terminal in the folder. You can open a new tab there or increase. You can put there, make EASL space. So he can generate the file for us. Then he will generate it here in the generate folder and Unix. Then it will be here, ESL will generate this folder, or BJ, let's wait there, AA. Wait, Hi Unix appears for us here. Here is how to upgrade our master SL there. Just wait a little longer. And also it appears in Binic folder, if I'm not mistaken. Releases as current as possible. Your master SL, then it will tinkle for you to use. Okay. Winx is here. Oh, he must have. .2 MB. Can we close here? We're going to come now to go to applications, but ASL is already here for me. I'll click right and show the contents of the package. Happy comes here on Mac OS. It's here OESL trace should. So what are we going to do? I'm going to take this guy, throw it here on the table, turn it into a copy of it. It's up to date. I'm just gonna rename it. I'll draw a trace here and it should be the way it is there. Here it should have, as it is older, it should be heavier. Oh, 2.4 Mabis. It looks like there's more, but there isn't. That's how it is. He's pretty outdated. So it's important for you to make this exchange here, or you can play here, organize by name. I'm going to open master cell now. I'm going to come here. Oh, master cell settings. I'm going to put it in must mode. It's already there, right? Usually it will come like this for you, Istanbul, then you can put it in the mode it should. Then you can close here. It's ready. Very up to date, right? And there's another way that I prepared here for the members of the channel so that they don't go all this way. For example, the guy doesn't have the resourcefulness to do this way to update. You can come here. Oh, I wrote a little script here. I'll open it here in Sublime. Oh, that was quick. I made a script here. I have renamed the file. I took all the AA part here that already has in the coming back here, already recommended by the people of MassSL. And then I sent the script here to the members of the channel. For those who are interested, become a member there and have access to this tool. Just give 2 clicks here on this file and it will already do. There will already download iOS-L already in mode, should fully update it as well. It will create a folder called Tools already with the file here, ready. It should be 1.2 MB, that's it, simple guys. Did you like this video? Is it? Stay tuned for more videos there. If you are not a member of this channel, become a member. We have now and Fire Start for both desktop and laptop, so you are losing a lot for those who are not members of this channel. So become a very worthwhile member here. Follow and engage with the channel content. Share this video and more with everyone. May God's peace be with you all.